Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Porsche Design AGON by AOC PD27S gaming monitor. So friend, the Porsche Design and AOC by AGON, one of the world's leading gaming monitor and IT accessories brand, together present the Porsche Design AOC AGON Pro PD27S, a 27-inch premium gaming monitor with the design inspired by elements of Porsche sport car and friend, featuring a 165Hz rate overdriven to 170Hz and 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, as well as DisplayHDR 400 certification and white color gamut. And friend, it is simply the gaming monitor equivalent to sport car, and friend, it combines striking, clean and functional design with high-level technologies. And when it features a flat IPS panel for high color accuracy and wide color gamut, and its 10-bit IPS panels, punchy and vivid color reproduction. It covers 95% of the DCI P3 gamut and 99% of sRGB gamut, enabling it to excel at all color critical tasks. And friend, the explosion of color on the DisplayHDR 400 certified PD27 is further enhanced by the display's ability to decode and reproduce high dynamic range content in movies, videos and games to display true to life image. And friend, it also features dual 5-watt speaker enhanced with DTS to deliver clear and rich sound. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is now available at MRP of 429.99 euros. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.